What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the GTA 5 BattleEye is required to play the game online error that is happening for many of the users right now, and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. So the first one, if you're having the trouble with this, first try opening your Rockstar game launcher, and we need to make sure that you have enabled the BattleEye on your launcher. That's an important and the first foremost step in order to fix the issue with the Steam is having an issue, or whenever you are trying to play the game, the GTA 5, you're having the BattleEye is required to play the error. If that is the case, just follow these instructions. So the first one is all about, you have to launch your Rockstar game launcher and go to the settings. Now from here, if you scroll down, you can see BattleEye. So make sure the BattleEye is checked. If it is unchecked, you have to check it, which means the BattleEye is enabled. You should not be closing this, minimize this. Now go back to your Steam and you can try launch the game and you can check. Next one is all about, always try running the Steam as an administrator. So just go over here, search for the Steam like this. Make sure that you click on run as administrator and go for yes, and you have to check. Afterwards, if you're having an issue with this, you have to try verifying the game file. So just go to the game, open the Steam, go to the game, right click and go to the properties, go to installed file, and there is an option called verify integrity of game file, which is going to cross check every single files of a game. That is going to fix the issue as well. Last and the least step, just go to the file explorer, go to this PC, go to the game installation folder, that is Steam library, Steam apps, go to common. Now navigate to Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced, and you have to scroll down and check if you are finding any folder named ARGS.exe. So if you find anything named this, you can delete it, and also keep in mind you should be deleting all the modes. In the sense, you have to delete the folder named DS storage D2 can be deleted. You can delete this folder as well. And also if you scroll down, you'll be finding some file named with .d2. All these are modes, you can delete it. For example, dinput.d2 can be deleted, and if you're having D storage can be deleted. All these kind of files can be deleted from here. And also if you're having any folder named modes, just delete the respective folder as well. And these are the steps to fix the issue with the BattleEye is required to play online for the GTA 5 on your system, and how we can fix this up. I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.